something super easy. Chapter 4, we're starting some easy stuff. And that's matrices. No, matrices are not difficult at all. When we are doing a lot of the matrix stuff, we are going to be using a lot of the calculators. Okay, so we're going to be using your technology, especially when it comes to multiplying them. One thing with the multiplying matrices, which we will do, I think it's Thursday we do the multiplying of matrices. With the multiplying of matrices, guys, it's not multiplying number to number. That was wrong. Okay, that was wrong. We do not multiply number to number. You have to do a row by operation when multiplying matrices. But that will come when we're doing it Thursday. Today we're just organizing it into matrices. So a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. Okay, it's a rectangular array of numbers. These numbers are organized in a dimension. And the dimension of a matrix is your number of rows by your number of columns. Okay, rows are across. Columns are up and down. Okay, so rows are across, columns are up and down. So if this is my matrix, okay, if that's my matrix, what would its dimensions be? 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. If this is my matrix, that is a
2 by 3.
Rows.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. There are 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay? 3 rows, 2 columns. And so what they're going to give you on today's assignment is a matrix. You'll have to state the dimension. So like this matrix here, if this is my matrix A, what would I do if I wanted to find what my A12 is? And this is something that's on ACTs, SATs. I know you've seen it on maps. So A12, okay? First row, second column. Okay? First row, second column. Let's say you wanted to find element A, 2, 2. 11, second row, second column. So that element would be 11. And then organizing stuff into matrices, super, super simple. Okay? You'll label your rows, you'll label your columns, whatever they may be, and then you just write it in a matrix form. And I'll show you that here in just a second. So open your books to page 169. And example 3, the real world connection. So you've got the annual energy production and consumption. Okay, production in red, consumption in blue. Look at the matrix that they created for that one. So your rows were the countries: China, Russia, US. Production was one column, consumption was the other column. All they did is taken the amount of whatever it was. So like for China, they took the amount, which was 42 for the production, and then 43 for the consumption, and put that down next to China. Same thing for Russia. Same thing for the United States. That's how you create a matrix. You label what the rows are, you label what the columns are, and you just stick the data in. Simple. Very, very simple.